I think there's something wrong with my Awithz P30C welder. You can see here, P30C. As you can see, it's in brand new condition. Just received it a few days ago, 2 days ago or so. All right. So the issue I have is it takes forever to reach full or to get all the bars lit up. And I don't know. I think it might be an issue with, the charger itself. I'll show you it only outputs 8.88 volts. Take a look at my multimeter here. Right? So this is on right now. See, it's green. Okay. Okay, see 8.88. See that? Okay. Let's plug it in and see how it behaves. Okay, you hear that? It was charging fast. It's about half. And then it goes to 1, 7, 4, 0, 1, 0. So nothing's charging, even though it's half. All right, it's still on. It's making a ticking noise. Can you hear it? But yeah, I'm not sure. Look at it. It's not. There's no power going into it. It says it's charging. 7, 4, 1. So why is it going so slow? It was going at like 170 before when it first started. Now it's 0, 3, 4, 0.